Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for girly theme in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress and the outfit will look like this. And then I'm going to show you how I created this outfit without VIP. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and you can color it dark brown. Okay, and the next one we're going to wear this corset and I'm going to color it pink except the ribbon. Okay, you can use this pink. This is for the color code. I'm going to make them all pink except the ribbon. For the ribbon, I'm going to color it white like this. Okay, and the next one we're going to wear the skirt and color it pink and white. For the first selection, color it white, and the next selection, color it pink. The same pink with the corset. Okay, and then we're going to wear this sleeves. Okay, color it pink. Alright, and the next one, we're going to wear the accessory. I'm going to go to the necklace area. And then I'm going to wear this necklace. Okay, and then oops, sorry, I haven't collected yet. Okay, and for the necklace, I'm just going to color it pink for the second selection. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the dressing room. We're going to wear the coat item. Okay, go to the coats. I'm going to wear this ribbon and then I'm going to change the toggle to behind hat and then I'm going to color it pink. Okay, just make them all pink and then I'm going to wear this item as well. I'm going to color it white for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm going to color it white, and for the ribbon color it pink. Okay, and then I'm going to wear the mirror heels. Okay, this one I'm going to make it pink except the lace. For the lace I'm going to color it white, and then the next one just color it pink like this. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.